All right, today I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood of this particular Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to open it so you can fill up the windshield washer fluid if you need to, or the top off the oil, whatever you need to do underneath the hood. I'm going to show you how to access underneath the hood so you can do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, in order to open the hood, what you'll do is you'll first make sure your vehicle's in park, preferably with the parking brake on. Gonna go ahead and parking brake on. All right, vehicle off. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look down and pull the lever. But in order to get there, what I'll do is I'll open the door and I'll look down, right down here. And do you see this right here? This icon right here? This is an icon for the hood. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to pull this towards me until I hear a click. So I'm going to take this and pull it until I hear a click. Now watch this. You heard that click? Whoa. So now that I heard the click, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk outside of the vehicle. And when I walk outside the vehicle, I'm going to go to the front of the vehicle and I'm going to attempt to open the hood, but I can't. You know why? Because there's a safety latch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here and there's a safety latch. And what I have to do is take my finger, press the safety latch to the left, all right? And then raise it. And I'll show you what this latch looks like after I open it. So I'm gonna take it, push it to the left, and then pull open the hood, or push open the hood, and boom. This is the safety latch that I'm telling you that you have to shift over. So what I did was I took this, boom, safety latch, release, and now I'm able to access inside, underneath the hood of this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.